Hello guys, welcome to Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and today we will see some of MCQs of community health nursing. So, first question is smallpox eradicated from world by WHO. Option A 1980, B 1989, C 1978, D 1977. And here the correct answer is option A 1980. The smallpox eradicated from world by WHO in 1980, but the smallpox eradicated from India by WHO in 1977. Next question. Most sensitive index of the health of a community. Option A MMR, B IMR, C crude death rate, D crude birth rate. And the correct answer is option B IMR, or infant mortality rate, because the infants and children are more susceptible to infection and they easily get illness. So the IMR is most sensitive index of community health nursing. Next, the prime source of all water: A river, B sea, C rain, D well. The prime source of all water is rain. So here correct option is option C, rain. Next, the Panchayat Raj institution at block level: A Gram Panchayat, B Jila Parishad, C Gram Sabha, D Panchayat Samiti. So the correct answer is option D, Panchayat Samiti. Supervised community based tuberculosis treatment: A chemotherapy, B MPO, C DOTS, D surveillance. And the correct answer is option C DOTS. D means directly, O means observe, T means treatment, and S means short course. ट्यूबरकुलोसिस वाले पेशेंट को 6 महीने तक डोट्स थेरेपी दी जाती है और डोट्स थेरेपी के अंदर स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, इथाम्ब्यूटोल, आइसोनियाजाइड और रिफाम्सिन टेबलेट्स इंक्लूड्स हैं. The science of health and its prevention. A biology, B nutrition, C sociology, D hygiene. And the correct answer is option D hygiene. The science of health and its prevention is called hygiene. Currently married couple where woman is in the reproductive age: A potential couple, B high risk couple, C eligible couple, D able couple. The currently married couple and where the woman is in the reproductive age is called eligible couple. So correct option is option C, eligible couple. Epidemiological trait comprise of A. Agent, host and disease. B. Agent, host and organism. C. Agent, host and environment. D. Agent, host and infection. The correct answer is option C. Epidemiological traits include agent, host, and environment. Next question. Separation of an infected person from non-infected person is incubation, B. Inoculation, C. Isolation, D. Immunization. And the separation of an infected person from non-infected person is called isolation. The correct answer is option C, isolation. An outbreak of disease in a community in excess of normal expectation. A. Endemic, B. Epidemic, C. Pandemic, D. Sporadic. The correct answer is option B. Epidemic. Next question. World AIDS Day. Option A. April 1st, December 1st, May 1st, or July 1st. The correct answer is option B, December 1st. The World AIDS Day celebrate on December 1st. Next question. Chemical substance used for purifying water. A. Lime, B. Potassium permanganate, C. Bleaching powder, D. Formaldehyde. Correct answer is option B. Potassium permanganate are used to purify water. A communicable disease that is eradicated from India. A. Chickenpox, B. Rubella, C. Smallpox, D. Rabies. And here the correct answer is option C, smallpox. Smallpox are eradicated from India in 1977. Committee on Multipurpose Worker. Options: Mudaliar Committee, Kartar Singh Committee, Boer Committee, and Srivastava Committee. And here the correct answer is option B, Kartar Singh Committee. Exchange of air between indoors and outdoor. Option A, ventilation, B, air conditioning, C, air change, D, wind. And the correct answer is option A, ventilation. First step in lie control in communicable disease. Option A, prevention, B, treatment, C, notification, D, surveillance. And the correct answer is option A, prevention. Prevention the first step to control communicable disease because prevention is better than cure. Method used for diagnosing community health problems. Option A, laboratory test, B, survey, C, camp, D, health education. And here the correct answer is option B, survey. Total numbers of multipurpose worker in subcenter. Option A, 2, B 4, C 5, D 10. So the correct answer is option A 2. One subcenter is for a population A 3000, B 5000, C 8000, D 10,000. So the correct answer is option A 3000. Subcenter cover 5000 population in plain area and 3000 population in hilly area. Nucleus of health services in rural area. A. PHC, B. Family, C. CSC, D. Anganwadi. And the correct answer is option A. PHC. PHC or Primary Health Center is the nucleus of health services in rural area. Next question. Backbone of public health nursing. A. Home visit, B. Records, C. Health education, D. Register. So the correct answer is option A. Home visit. Home visit is the backbone of public health nursing. Rural Health Mission started by which of the following committee? Option A. Srivastava Committee, B. Bhor Committee, C. Chada Committee, D. Jangalwala Committee. And here the correct answer is option A. Srivastava Committee. The borehole latrine was introduced in India by option A. Rotary Foundation, B. Rockefeller Foundation, C. UNICEF, D. Melinda Gates Foundation. And correct answer is option B. Rockefeller Foundation. ASHA worker work at level A. District, B. Community, C. Village, D. Primary Health Center. The correct answer is option C. Village. ASHA workers work at the village level and the ASHA cover 1000 population in village. Isolation of a child with mumps belong to what level of prevention? Option A. Intermediate, B. Primary, C. Tertiary, D. Secondary. एक बच्चा जिसको कि मम्स हो रखा है उसको आइसोलेट रखना या अलग रखना ताकि दूसरे बच्चों को और उसके परिवार वालों को मम्स बीमारी ना हो, इसलिए ये एक तरह से प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन होगा। जैसे कि हम सभी कोरोना से बचने के लिए हैंड वॉश कर रहे हैं और मास्क लगा रहे हैं, तो ये भी क्या एक तरह से प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन है। सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन। Salt are added in food are the example of which level of prevention? Option A. Primary prevention, B. Primordial prevention, C. Secondary prevention, D. Tertiary prevention. Salt are added in food for its preservation and flavoring. So it is example of primary level of prevention. So here the correct option is option A, primary prevention. Sex ratio is defined as option A, number of females per 100 male population, B, number of males per 1000 population, C, number of females per 1000 male population, option D, number of females per 10,000 male population. And the correct answer is option C, number of females per 1000 male population. Next question. Optimum fluoride concentration in drinking water is option A 0.5 ppm, B 1 to 2 ppm, C 3 to 5 ppm, D about 10 ppm. And the correct answer is option B 1 to 2 ppm. Which of the following disease is caused by sugarcane? Option A dysnosis, B bagisosis, C anthracosis, D asbestosis. The disease is caused by sugarcane is called bagisosis. So the correct answer is option B bagisosis. And another name of bagisosis is Monday fever. Next question. WHO initiating right to sight is named option A Vision 2015, option B Vision 2020, C Vision 2025, D Vision 2030. The correct answer is option B Vision 2020. Thank you guys. Please like, comment and share my video and subscribe our channel.